Hey, I'm Cody Miller. So, what is TFS Mobile Services? Well, let me show you. It's maintenance on wheels. When linemen are out on the job, we come to you. No delays, no downtime. Chassis PMs, DOT inspections, ANSI inspections, dielectric certification, and repairs. We're stocked and ready for whatever you need, right on site. We come prepared. Our trucks are fully equipped and our team's ready to roll. And if a repair is too big for the field, we have Tempest facilities that can handle it. Mobile support, when and where you need it. That's TFS Mobile Services.